Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about mint leaves. I know mint is available in whole part of the world, so I thought I should make a video regarding mint leaves, because by knowing the benefit of mint leaves, more and more people can make use of mint leaves, not only for eating, like it is very beneficial for your digestive fire, but also because of its anti-inflammatory action, it will also cure your pimples and make your skin beautiful. So let's see what are the various properties of mint and what are the various procedures with which we can use mint in our daily day-to-day life and make our health better with better immunity and better strength. So let's see how we can use mint and what was mentioned in Ayurveda, so that we know it well and we can cultivate it and we can make use of it. The recipes of mint are very easy to cook and to make, and it is very beneficial for health. So let's see how we can use it. The botanical name for mint, because most of the people have confusion about mint leaves, what are the leaves are called as mint leaves. So the botanical name for this plant is Mentha longifolia, because its leaves contains menthol, that is one of the ingredients of its leaves, and various other ingredients are there which I am not going to explain it, because these are more of scientific terminologies and most of the people cannot relate with those things. But menthol is the most important ingredient. Its leaves contains 40 to 50% of menthol. So I thought, okay, this menthol I should mention, because this menthol term is very familiar with people and people can relate to it. So this menthol is very beneficial, which is found in mint leaves. And let's see what are the other benefits of mint leaves. One thing is, mint leaves are very cooling in potency. So whenever you have a lot of heat production in your system, especially in menopause, or if you are drinking a lot of coffee or tea, mostly coffee and black coffee if you are drinking, you will see like body responded in a lot of heat in the system, and you always feel thirsty, all the time you feel thirsty. So in these situations, mint leaves can be a very beautiful option, because you can use mint leaf tea that will satiate all the heat that is there in your system. So in this video further I will tell you how to make mint leaf tea. So but it is one of the option, like whenever you have a lot of heat in the system, you can use mint leaves as mint leaf paste. There is in India, there is one recipe for mint leaves that is called chutney with tamarind. We make it, and if not this, then you can also use it as a tea. Very good option as a tea, mint leaf tea, that is also very beneficial, and many other things you can make use of mint leaves. So let's see one by one. Before that, we just try to learn more about the benefits and ingredients of mint leaves. Mint leaves have anti-ulcer properties, and that's why as an Ayurveda physician, most of the Ayurveda doctors, they recommend mint leaf tea or mint leaf paste for the people who are having ulcer problems, like peptic ulcer problems especially. This is very beneficial into it, and even in gastric ulcer disease it is very beneficial. Not only this, it also treats little to some extent indigestion. If somebody has little bit problem in digestion, like a lot of heat in the system, and if pitta is so much aggravated, pitta dosh, if it is so much aggravated, then we recommend mint leaf paste or mint leaf chutneys, or chutney is a kind of recipe, or even mint leaf tea, which is very beneficial in such conditions. Not only this, mint leaf is also very beneficial in common cold, cough related problems, because it has, like I said, it has menthol as its ingredient, which has decongestion problems. That means it open up the congested nose or blockage, whatever is there, because in cold we feel our nose is very stuffed. So if we inhale mint leaves like in a steam form, it is very beneficial, so opening up the channels of the nose, so and helps, and great relief in headache and common cold. So that's why mint leaf is just a miracle, and it is very easy to plant this mint leaf. It grow in a wetty area. It is very small shrub, and it happens in bulk. Especially it needs a lot of water. It happens in specific season it grows, especially in rainy season it grows a lot. So if you also want to have mint leaves, you can also grow in pots or in land on the ground, but make sure you just water this plant more and more, so that because it needs a lot of water for growing, and in little space it grows. It doesn't need like big space. In little space it grows, but it also finish as season over, it finishes every year it grows new. So it's like this. But at the same time, if you have a lot of mint leaves, you can also pluck mint leaves. You can dry them when its season is over. You can dry them, and you can also use mint leaf powder in various of your dishes, and it also has good effects, not as good as fresh mint leaves, but still 50% of effect still stays with even with dry leaves. So even you can use mint leaf powder. You can dry it your own organic mint leaves by yourself, and then later you can use it as a powder. So this is one way how you can use mint leaves throughout the year. Mint leaves are very beneficial for your health, as it contains a lot of minerals, a lot of multivitamins, nutrients, antioxidants. That's why it's a lot of immunity modulator. So it is a very good source of enhancing your immunity. Also, it has a lot of fiber content, and it is also used in various kind of degenerative diseases, because it has a lot of things, a lot of antioxidants which are very rejuvenating and very beneficial for health. Good thing about mint leaves, it is very cheap, and it has rich source, or it is a rich source of vitamin A. So it is very beneficial for eye diseases also, like whenever you feel like your eyes are very tired, like because most of the times you are sitting in front of laptop, or if your work is very focused work in which you use a lot of your eye and focus, and you see at the end of the day your eyes are extremely tired. So this mint leaves are one of the best option you can use, like mint tea. It is very beneficial because it is rich in content of vitamin A. So it also acts as a great immunity booster. And if somebody has deficiency of vitamin A, or if somebody is struggling with short sightedness or long sightedness, like some eye refractive disorders, you can also use this mint leaf tea. It would be very beneficial for you. At the same time, sometimes we feel just for sitting, and we feel sometimes nauseatic feeling, or we feel like vomiting kind of feeling. We don't feel good for some reasons, though we don't have any disease, but because of some indigestion problems, sometimes we eat outside food and we don't feel good. So at the home you can prepare this mint tea, and it would be very beneficial for you, because mint has a property to cure indigestion. So it is very beneficial. Whenever you do overeating, then also you can have mint tea. It is very beneficial because it aids digestion. Also, people who have pitta body type, who have high pitta especially, for them also this mint tea will be very beneficial, because this mint tea has cooling properties, because it is cooling in potency. That's why it helps in balancing the pitta dosha. So, and if you don't know what is your body type, you have no idea about what I am talking about, so there is a link below in the description box. You can see there is a dosha series video. You can go click on that link and watch that video and figure out what is your body type. So accordingly you can make use of these mint leaves. And good thing is, the procedure for making mint leaf tea is very easy. You take half cup of water, put 2-3 mint leaves in it, and just let it boil for next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, let it cool down at room temperature, little higher than room temperature. If you want, you can drink it as it is, and for taste, if you want, you can add little bit of lemon if you want it. If you need like some kind of taste, you can also add little bit of lemon. Otherwise, you can just use it as it is, because mint leaves already has so much fragrance. So you can use mint leaves as it is. So it is very simple to prepare, it doesn't take much time, and it has tremendous benefits. You must have seen many people have this problem of bloating. Whenever they eat something, then their stomach have bloated stomach, like a lot of gas in the stomach. So this kind of tea, which I am saying mint tea, it is very beneficial to reduce this bloating, because it just specifies the pitta dosha and ultimately pacifies the bloating. and ultimately vata dosha channels will be open up and bloating can be pacified. So this way, anytime after food, whenever you finish food, you can have this mint tea. It will aid your digestion and it is very beneficial for your health, especially if you are struggling with bloating. Sometimes we also have seen, because of this bloating also we feel stomach pain little bit because excessive gas. That is this mint leaf tea is also very beneficial in these situations because it helps to subside this bloating, and that will help to subside the pain. So it is very beneficial. Yes, you need to make sure, like, you should not be allergic to mint leaves, though nobody is allergic to mint leaves mostly, but even if some cases are there or rare cases are there, then you need to keep a check on it. But if this is the situation with you, then please take care, like if make sure like you are not allergic to mint leaves. And whenever I am saying mint leaves, so you make sure the mint leaves, it should be recognized as this plant name, the botanical name which I have mentioned you, Mentha longifolia. So this should be the plant. You can also go to any biologist and you can ask them to recognize the plant and that herb you plant in your garden so that you can make use of it. In addition to that, if you are having problem with excessive weight, this mint tea, if you are drinking it empty stomach, it is very beneficial to shedding the weight off. So that's why in most of the people, when you have excessive weight gain for some reasons, this mint leaf tea is very beneficial to remove the excess fat. So this is one of the way to remove fat from the body. Though in Ayurveda a lot of decoctions has been mentioned to reduce the weight, but for some people we also recommend mint leaf tea, which is who are very focused on taste. So this mint leaf tea will also help them to shed the weight off. In addition to that, if somebody has a lot of face scars like of acne, or if they have like especially pitta body type people whose skin is very prone to acne and rashes, so to them also what you can do, you can take 3-4 mint leaves, you can make a paste of those mint leaves, add little bit of rose water and you can apply that paste on your skin, leave it for 20 minutes and after that just wash with lukewarm water. As I said, these mint leaves have a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. It will give you very cooling sensation, but in the very beginning, maybe when you apply, there is some kind of burning sensation can happen, but don't worry about it. If more burning sensation is happening, you can use this rose water to more quantity so that it can reduce this burning sensation, because mint leaves have menthol, and menthol whenever you apply, like if we apply Vicks vapor rub or any kind of decongestant, so because of this menthol content is there in this, it gives some kind of burning sensation, like something is burning, but actually no burning is happening. It is just the because of this menthol content, we see some tingling sensation wherever you have inflammation, because this mint leaves have anti-inflammatory action. So you can also use it as face mask. In addition to that, if you have some kind of nasal allergies, you have very common nasal allergy or common cold, it's very frequent that you get common cold very easily, then you can take steamer and take some mint leaves and just break it and just put these mint leaves in this steamer or even boiling pot and just take the inhale that steam from your nose, the steam that has been given by these mint leaves. It is very beneficial. It is a natural decongestant and it doesn't have any side effects, so you can make use of it. But make sure you just don't put the nose inside the steamer. Let the steam come out by itself to that extent which is tolerable to you, and you will see the amazing results of these mint leaves and mint tea. Even in influenza you can use mint tea, in common cold you can use mint tea. It will give instant relief. And even sometime mosquito bite or small insect bite happen, that time also you can rub mint leaves over it. Immediately it will give anti-inflammatory effect and it is very beneficial for healing scars and wounds. So you can make use of mint leaves like this. Not only this, it is very beneficial for making your digestion good, and for that what you can take 4-5 mint leaves, and then take tamarind if it is available in your country. Then wash tamarind very take this much of tamarind, 5-6 mint leaves. So you can use this much tamarind, wash it with water properly, and then just remove the seeds of tamarind, and then filter the juice of tamarind in a bowl, and then take a mixer grinder, put this tamarind juice and mint leaves into it, and add little bit of spices like coriander, cumin, and turmeric, little bit pinch of turmeric, and salt, and little bit of jaggery or sugar, whatever you have, and just grind it. And you can also use this kind of, you can also call it, we call it chutney. You can also call it sauce, and you can use it with food items, any kind of thing whatever you are eating, but don't keep it for many days, you need to consume it in a day. So this way also you can use mint leaf, because it is very beneficial for your digestive health. So this way, this mint leaf is extremely beneficial plant, and you can make use of it. So if you have any question regarding mint leaves, then please write down to us. We will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please take a moment, click the bell icon and hit the subscribe button, so that you will stay in tune with our upcoming videos. And also, if you would like to support us, there is a membership available. You can go to the subscription, near that there is a join button, you can join our membership also. And hope you like this video, and the information that I have provided, it would be beneficial for you. So with this note, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. I am very grateful to you. And if you like my video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. With this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. Take care. Bye.